Annyeonghaseyo everyone, and welcome to the lesson 13 of Run Korean Easily Clearly. Lesson 13 is about the double final consonant pronunciation rules. Everyone, please see here. If you see this screen, there are four words which are written, and first word is having the double pachim, double final consonant. See them carefully, everyone. You will find there are two pachim or double pachim. So how to pronounce these words now? When the student they don't know the rule or they are not clear about these rules, the first word there are three possibilities how they will pronounce. They will pronounce it as opsada. Some students will say opta, and some will say osta. So what is the right way to pronounce these kind of words, Roman? So for these double final consonant pronunciation, you have to write these 2 points first very carefully, Roman. Please write in your notes. Write today's date. Title is double final consonant pronunciation. You have seen the words already in the previous slides, Roman. They were in the pairs. First point is how many total pairs are possible. Total pairs which are possible are 11. First point is this. And second, we can use 8/3 sound rule for their correct pronunciation. Let's go in detail, Roman. Please write these 2 points, and if you see on this Roman screen, there is number 1. Count them. How in the first group, Roman, how many pairs are there? There are 8. So when these pairs comes in any word, we can put in the sound group number 1, that is 8 group. 8 group. And the sound value will be only the first consonant in these 8 pairs. Second consonant will be silent. This is the 8 family. Only the first consonant will be pronounced. You have to memorize this. No, you no need to memorize these 8 pairs, Roman. We will make our work easier. Come to second family, Roman. How many pairs are there? 3 pairs are there. In these 3 pairs, you have to pronounce the second consonant only. First will be silent. So no need to memorize these 8, Yoruban. Just memorize these 3: rak, ram, and rap. Rak, ram, rap. Except these 3, whatever pair is coming in any word in Korean, you have to pronounce only what? First consonant. So please write this also: rak, ram, and rap. Second consonant will be pronounced. And again, now you understand what can be the same 3 possibilities which we have done in the final consonant, single final consonant. The same 3 possibilities are here also. Same. First is there is no next syllable. Second, next syllable starts with a consonant. And third one, next syllable starts with a vowel. So one by one, in detail, Yoruban, see. First possibility, there is no next syllable. If you see from number 1 to number 4, see first word pair is na and ha. Number 2, na and ja. Number 3, pa and sa. And number 4, ka and sa. Check from your notes. They are in which family? 8 or 3? 8/3 rule we have to apply for the pronunciation. In which rule? They are not in the rak, ram, and rap. So 8/3 rule will be applied here. There is no next syllable. So what will be the pronunciation of number 1? Kun. Number 2, an. It is written wrongly, Yoruban. Please make it correctly. That is an. Number 2 and number 3 pronunciation reversed here, Yoruban. Sorry for this error. You can reverse that. Number 2 is an, number 3 is op, and number 4 is knock. What happened? Only the first Pachim is pronounced, second is silent here. Again, let's do the wrap up. When you see any Korean word which is having the double final consonant, first you have to recall 8 by 3 rule, rak, ram and rab. In rak, ram, rab, second consonant will be pronounced and remaining 8 first consonant will be pronounced. That is the first step you have to remember. Second, again the 3 possibilities you have to apply. There is no next syllable, 8 by 3 rule will be applied. Next, second situation, second possibility. Oh, again the first possibility is there. Can you see these 4 words? See their double final consonant carefully and find out they are in which group, 8 group or 3 group. 8 by 3 rule we have to apply here. In the first one, double final consonant is rum. Second, also rum. 3, rak. And 4th, rup. They are in which group? Now you know your own. They are in the 3 group, your own. Rak, rum and rup. And there is no next syllable, so rule will be applied. First one will be pronounced as chom. Second is sam. Third is mak. And 4th is up. First consonant will be silent here. Now coming to the second possibility, next syllable starts with a consonant. Again the same rule, your own. Here also 8 by 3 rule will be applied. See the first example. No pair is in the first group, your own. So what will happen? Only the first will be pronounced, double consonant, second will be silent. Kantha. Pronunciation will be kantha. Second, anta. Third is, see in which group this pair is, this rak, ram and rab. Second, 3 family. Sam, kwa. And number 4 is chamke. 8 by 3 rule is applied when there is a next syllable which is starting with a consonant. Let's wrap up here the first 2 conditions. Double final consonant pronunciation rule. First point is total pairs possible are 11. How we can pronounce them? By using the 8 by 3 rule. 8 by 3 rule will be applied in 2 conditions. First, there is no next syllable. Second, next syllable starts with a consonant. Come to number 3. See this possibility, Robin, when the double final consonant is having the vowel starting syllable in the next syllable, in the next Robin. See this first word carefully, Robin. What is happening? In the first syllable, double final consonant, and second syllable is starting with a vowel u. So what will happen here? 8 by 3 rule will not be applied. There is a pair. So first consonant of that pair will be pronounced with the first syllable. And the second final consonant sound, original sound will be carried forward to the next vowel, Yoruban. So if you don't know the rule, mostly student how they will pronounce it, they will pronounce it Jhaman. Not. Correct pronunciation is Chalman. Chalman. Please understand this carefully, Yoruban. See the second example. Pair is pa and sa. As per the rule, 8 by 3 rule, only first consonant must be pronounced. But here no. Why? It is followed by a vowel in the next syllable. Both the final consonants will be pronounced. First consonant with the first syllable, second consonant, original sound will be carried forward to the vowel Yoruban. So apple will be pronounced as opsal, opsal. If this point is clear Yoruban, let's move forward, and now the word writing and reading practice. Okay, let's do number 1, 2, and 3 together, Yoruban. See, number 1 pair comes in the 8 group. In 8 group, what happens? First consonant will be pronounced, second will be silent. The pronunciation will be op, op. Second, followed by a consonant, rule is applied. Opta, opta. Number 3, third possibility, followed by a vowel. Rule will not be applied. Both the final consonants will be pronounced. Pronunciation will be opsum, opsum. So in the same way, please write from number 4 to number 15, or you can write from number 1 to number 15, Yoruban. Pause the screen, write them carefully without any spelling error, and after writing them, Yoruban, please check your answers like this. But please write first, Yoruban. Request. See here. Number 1 is op, number 2 is opta, number 3 opsum, number 4 jhom, number 5 jhomta, number 6 jholman, number 7 man, number 8 mantha, number 9 manal, number 10 mak, number 11 makta, number 12 malgan, number 13 an, number 14 anta, and number 15 anjan. So you have to do this Yoruban practice little more, then it will be clear. Yes. And again Yoruban, double final consonant pronunciation like this 8/3 rule. Again, it is also having some exceptions. So when those words will come Yoruban, your teacher will explain in the class. But majority, most of the words are covered by this 8/3 rule. So let's do the self-assessment. Double final consonant pronunciation depends on the next syllable, which is having the 3 possibilities. Same like Yoruban single consonant. First is no next syllable. Second is next syllable starts with a consonant, and third one is next syllable starts with a vowel. See these 3 possibilities, again the same words Yoruban. In the first no next syllable, 8/3 rule will be applied. They will be pronounced as an, man, and third one will be mak, and fourth one will be jhom. Number 2 Yoruban, next syllable starts with a consonant, 8/3 rule apply. Anta, mantha, then what will be the Yoruban? And jhamke. Next syllable starts with a vowel Yoruban, 8/3 rule will not be applied. So anjan, manan, malgan, jhalman, like this. Now it's time to learn a new word today, Yoruban. Please ask question. Please ask question. Every day we are using Yoruban. Whosoever doing the Yoruban teaching job, they are using this word so many times every day in the class. Please ask question if you have, or please ask question, Yoruban. Expression is chilmun haseyo. Chilmun haseyo. Please repeat after me. Say chilmun haseyo. Well done. Chilmun haseyo. And first of all, Yoruban, congratulations. Chukka hamnida. We have completed Yoruban Korean alphabet system, Hangul Yoruban. 14 letters, then single pachim, then double pachim, their pronunciation rules. Now we are going to enter the stage of the reading Yoruban, real reading Yoruban, with the sentences and the expressions. So in the lesson 14, our first step to read the simple words and the expressions. So see you in Yoruban. lesson 14 for more reading confidence, more reading clarity, and then you can continue your Korean learning 여러분 in a more effective manner 여러분. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다. 여러분 안녕히 계세요.